Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer Capital One mobile settings and alerts detailed guide step by step. Open the Capital One mobile app on your device. Log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to the settings menu by tapping on the gear icon, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. In the settings menu, locate the notifications or alerts section. Tap on it to access your current notification settings. Review your existing alerts and notifications. Decide which alerts you want to transfer to your new device. If you're using a new device, ensure that the app is installed and logged in. On your new device, repeat the process by going to the settings menu in the Capital One app. Find the notifications or alerts section on your new device. Turn on the alerts you wish to have on your new device. If necessary, customize each alert according to your preferences. For additional security, consider checking your notification settings via the Capital One website. Ensure that your email and phone number are up to date for all alerts. Once you have confirmed that everything is set on your new device, exit the settings menu. Return to the main screen of the Capital One mobile app. Your alerts should now be fully transferred and functioning on your new device. Check your alerts section occasionally to ensure that everything is working as expected. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.